Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, it's your girl Faith Leslie Ilibari, the CEO of Family Global Concept Service Limited. On today's video, I'll be taking you on a tour around my company. Family Global Concept is a fabrication company that deals on all kinds of gates, handrails, window protector, both foreign and local, and lots more. As you can see, these are different samples of already made gates. This is a stainless customized gate, and we have a wrought iron gate, we have a normal pipe gate, we have gates for all levels and all ranges, ranging from 500,000 to 3 million. Any kind of gates you want. We have doors for 45k, 70k, 120, 200, any kind of door you want. And this is my samples. Like, all these gates are made for people that don't want to waste time. Like, some people, they will give you a job and they want you to give them the gates immediately. I do my fabrication in 24 hours. I can fabricate a gate for you. So those of you that want immediate gates, you can just come, pick here, buy and go. And for those of you that want us to fabricate something else, we can still deliver for you in 24 hours. Family Global Concept is one welding company that does the best jobs. Okay guys, welcome to our office space. This is our stainless accessories. We also sell, yes, I forgot to mention in the video, we sell materials, we sell stainless pipe, we sell wrought iron pipe. So for smaller welders and for people that maybe you want to buy materials for us to fabricate for you and you will give us workmanship, we sell for you too. And we do royal shutters doors, those are the samples for it. We sell both foreign doors. So this is my office space. Then that's for my manager. And guys, this is my personal office. This is where I do my gang videos. I do chakra. So please guys, do well to patronize us. We are located beside Bolex car wash, Okaka Expressway, Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, but we can deliver jobs in and out of Bayelsa. So do well to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye guys, see you.